Hey there guys, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to fix the Marvel Rivals launcher error. So the first thing y'all need to do is open up your Steam here. So after you open up, there go to the library section and click on Marvel Rivals here. Then go to the settings icon here, click on it, then click on properties. After that, go to the install files part, then click on browse here. So after you click on browse, this folder will open up. So scroll down a bit, then you should see the Marvel Rivals launcher icon here. After that, right click on it, then click on properties. You will see many bars here. Just go to the compatibility mode. So after that, the first fix would be clicking here, run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 8. Just tick mark on it. So yeah. The second fix would be just clicking here, the disable full screen optimizations and run this program as an administrator. Just click on both of it and click apply, OK. And if your problem still persists, the next thing you can do is go to your Steam again here and come here to this location, install file location, and click on verify integrity of game files. So the thing it's going to do is it's going to fix any missing files you have from Marvel Rivals that is causing your game or the error in your game. So it's going to basically fix it. So that's it. This fix should work for your problem. So yeah, thanks for watching guys.